The work that we've been doing on climate change for the last 20 or more years has been relatively ineffective and ineffectual, and we've failed to reduce greenhouse gases to the extent that we should, and are continuing to fail. We've put a lot of emphasis on how to cope with climate change, especially on a local level in small and vulnerable communities. And while that is having some success, it is clear that it's not sufficient, and there are much bigger changes on the way that we need to start thinking about how we are going to cope with. That's what we call loss and damage. And when the global mean surface temperature goes to +3 or +4 degrees, we will have enormous problems affecting not only developing and poor countries and island states, but also the major powers and the major continental regions of the world. And this is a group of knowledgeable people, very experienced in these kinds of issues, that have come together to try and scope out what on earth can humanity do about this. There are a lot of next steps, and it's hard to enumerate them all, but of course we have to put together some sort of a record of what we've done, and that's part of spreading the word, going back to our own home base institutions and countries, and explaining more on the basis of this experience to our colleagues and our publics at home what this is all about. But for me, one of the big issues is that we have to use that knowledge to make the process transparent, because the decisions that are being made at the local level, the national level, and certainly globally are not clear to people and are not transparent, and a lot of decisions are being made that fall far short of what they should be, and that's partly because people are not knowledgeable and not aware. So I would like to see this process become much more visible to people in general.